Hey, KNAPP Connectors here. We're out in the wood shop and we wanted to show you the Duo System frame connector. So it's completely concealed. It's disassemblable as many times as needed. It simply slides together and it's self-tightening. So it's used for bed rails, table aprons, chair stretchers, stair stringers, heavy furniture, and even small construction. So we have 8 different sizes available, from the small, holding about 200 pounds in shear strength, all the way up to our larger Duo system, holding about 1,000 pounds in shear strength. They all work in the same way. So we have 2 identical pieces. We have one piece that is flipped around and it sits inside of a route. Our other piece sits on the face of the board. And we have the longer screws that will go into the end grain of your board and the shorter screws that will sit, in the face of the board. Now they're used with a standard pan head screw, and as I mentioned, these are adjustable so that you can screw the pan head in and out to make your adjustment so that it's as tight or as loose as you need it. So again, this is the Duo System frame connector. Great for bed rails, table aprons, chair stretchers, for heavy furniture, small construction. Go ahead and try it out on your next project. You can check us out at knappconnectors.com. Thanks for watching.